Katie Price's ex Kris Boyson says he's moving on and has no hard feelings for her as she appears to rekindle her rocky romance with Carl Woods. It comes as The Sun revealed Kris and Katie were at the same luxury £550 a night cabins over the past week, although both said they were there separately. 4. Kris Boyson has opened up about his feelings on ex Katie PriceCredit, Splash. Speaking to Pals, Kris said he was ready to draw a line under his life with Katie. He said, "We're not together anymore. I wish her all the best. I do miss our family life together though. There are no hard feelings, just one of those things. I'm single and I'm starting to put myself back out there. So who knows?" Kris and Katie were at the same Copper Cribs getaway, just with different people. Former glamour model Katie's secret messages to Kris, which he didn't respond to, were one of the reasons why she broke up with ex-fiancé Carl Woods. However, last weekend Katie kept fans guessing about the status of her relationship with Carl after the duo were seen enjoying a night out together. The couple were snapped at Plush Donatello's in Brighton, a 400-seat Italian restaurant, on Friday evening, snuggling and kissing. An onlooker told The Sun, "They seemed more loved up than ever and didn't care who saw. He was kissing her on the forehead, having drinks, laughing. His Porsche was parked right outside." 4. Kris said he had no hard feelings towards Katie Credit, Rex. 4. Kris and Katie dated on and off for 2 years until 2019. Credit, the mega agency. 4. Katie was most recently engaged to Carl Woods and they pair may have rekindled their romance. Credit, Instagram. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.